Welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw another character from K.O. Let's Be Heroes. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Metal K.O. You see, he's a crossover exclusive character from the Sonic the Hedgehog and K.O. crossover series. Kind of like the crossover from Captain Planet. But, you see, here's a known fact about him, but you get the idea. You see, Metal K.O. is a reference to Metal Sonic, and, wait, did I say that already? I don't know, man. You see, Boxman trapped, K.O. into a robot chamber, which transformed him into Metal K.O. Turns out, you see, Boxman had the power of the Master Emeralds that powered the machine, and that's what allowed K.O. to transform into Metal K.O. But, you see, Sonic, he managed to save K.O.'s life, transforming him back into regular K.O. instead of Metal. I don't know when we're gonna see K.O. in this form again, but, we'll find out sooner or later if they ever release the show again. Okay, I got most of his body. Make sure to draw the pincer arms on him. Let's draw this roboticized beast. Shoot. And done. That's how you draw Metal K.O. Pretty awesome, huh? So, what was your favorite parts of the, Sonic the Hedgehog plus K.O. crossover? And, anyways, I saw that online that there was a Metal Dendy, but, you guys be happy to look that up if you want. Oh yeah, there's also Metal TKO, but I don't know when that's going to appear. But, anyways, that's how you draw Metal Sonic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of amazing character I'll draw you guys next. Bye.